On the Google search, you want to use the keyword for Stripe charges and click on the stripe.com/pricing. So the basic processing fees on Stripe is 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful transaction for domestic card. So if your client pay for $100, you will only get $96.8, not the full $100, because the Stripe fee will be 2.9% plus 30 cents or $3.2. Now, if you scroll down, you will see the more detailed breakdown on how much Stripe will actually charge for each transaction. The column on the left are filled with the instrument that your customer use, while the column on the right will show how much the Stripe fees for it. So for example, if you are a seller from the US that's selling an ebook for $100, but your buyer are living in the Germany that use the euro as their currency, while using the international cards, then instead get the Stripe fee for 2.9% plus 30 cents, you will get the Stripe fee for 5.4% plus 30 cents because the use of international cards and the currency conversion from the euro to the US dollar. So 2.9% plus 1.5% plus 1% equal 5.4, and don't forget the 30 cent too. So for $100 ebook, you will be getting 94.3 US dollar. And that's the simple explanation for the charges per transaction on your Stripe account. You can scroll down and do a check at your specific situation or condition that's more suitable for you. And if you want to check it on the real time, then at your Stripe homepage, after you log in, click on the transaction at the left side of the screen. Then select and click on the specific transaction that you want to see the detail. And you will see the payment breakdown section. If you did not find this right away, you may scroll down on this page. And as you can see, for a $300 worth of sale, Stripe processing fee charged me for $9, and I will only get $291. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.